Hello world, this is Aditya and we are going to start some later topics just like pointers. Yeah, correct? So today's topic is reference or alias, and recall that C++ is an reference operator to denote the address operator. That address operator is a declaration to declare a reference variable. Seems correct? Yes. The meaning of symbol of address operator is different in an expression, that is a declaration when it is used to the expression and denotes to the address of operator, which returns the address of variable. Example, if a number is an int variable and address of number returns the address of variable number. However, when address operator is used in declaration, include function format parameters, it is a part of type of identifier that is used to declare a reference variable for references some alias and alternative name. It is used to provide some another name or another reference or alias in an existing variable. Let's check out some syntax here. Okay, so these are the syntax that are type, address operator, new name is equal to existing name. Got it? And there are also some others type. Itself we read as the new line is a reference and existing name, or new is an alias of existing name. You can now refer to the variable to the new name or existing name. For example, let's check out a program. This one. Now we got how references works. So deep down in this picture, so you can get more deep. I mean a little deep. Got it? A reference work as a pointer. A reference is denoted as an alias of a variable. That's it. Now we come on references versus pointer. Pointer and references are equivalent, except a references in a name constant for an address. You need to initialize the reference during declaration, just like this. Once a reference is established to a variable, you cannot change the reference to the another variable. Yeah, you cannot change to the another variable, right? To get the value pointed to by a pointer, you need to use the differencing operator. Example, if a pointer number is a int pointer and a asterisk pointer number returns the value pointed to by pointer number, it is called dereferencing or indication. To assign the address of variable into the pointer, that you need to use the address of operator. Example, pointer number is equal to address of number. Don't you understand? I repeat, pointer number is equal to address of number. Seems correct. On other hand, referencing and dereferencing are done on the referencing implicity. For example, referencing number is a reference alias to another int variable. Referencing is a return to the value of variable. No explicit dereferencing operator. Asterisk should be used. Furthermore, to assign an operator or a variable to a reference variable, no address or operator and is needed. To understand this theory physically or theoretically, let's check out a program. You will get a better understanding by this program. So, a reference variable provides a new name to the existing variable. It is dereferenced implicitly and does not need to differencing operator asterisk to retrieve the value referenced. On other hand, the pointed variable is stored an address. You can change the address value stored in a pointer. To retrieve the value pointed by a pointer, you need to use the indication operator asterisk, which is known as implicit dereferencing. Implicit dereferencing. Sounds correct? Yes. So references can be treated as a constant pointer. It has to be initialized during declaration and its constant cannot be changed. References is closely related to pointer in many cases. It can be used to alternative to the pointer. A reference allows to manipulate an object using pointer but without the pointer syntax for referencing and dereferencing. The solve example illustrates how reference work but does not show its typically uses, which is used in a many function, formal and parameters for passing by reference.